Hi, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. So today I'm going to be reviewing a wig by Sapphire Wigs, which is not my first time trying Sapphire Wigs. I own two wigs by them already, and I really like them. I think that their lace is great. I think their cap sizes are like large enough for big-headed hoes like me to wear. So I really appreciate them for that. And I own a pink one. Well, it's two pink ones. The other one is like a hot pink. It's called the Rose Red. They use a picture of Kylie Jenner in that hot pink wig. But and then the other one is like a black, purple, pink ombre moment. But this one, I'm really curious and kind of scared about, and you'll see why right now. So this one, it comes in this packaging, Sapphire Wigs, in this beautiful black and pink bag. Should I do ASMR with it? It comes in that bag, and you know, it just has a barcode and the name, all of that. And this one is called Atrovirens. I believe I'm pronouncing that right. I honestly had to look it up because I don't know what that word means, but it's like the name of like a Mexican plant that's also known as American aloe. So yeah, it's green, and I'm really feeling green right now, as you saw from my previous two reviews on wigs. I'm really into green right now. But this one is like, she's not your regular green. She's special. So got the wig Atrovirens, as you can see in the bag. She looks pretty black, but she's green. So Atrovirens, it's a dark green. It's like the darkest green from what I understand. If I'm wrong, let me know nicely. If you're mean, I'm gonna block you. But from when I looked it up, it said that it was like, it came from, you know, that plant I mentioned earlier. But it also describes a green, the darkest green, the darkest of all greens. Like, you know how there's like blues that are so dark that it's black and stuff like that? It's like that, but for green. It's kind of like your green equivalent to midnight blue. Yeah, it's like that color that was like really popular in the like mid 2000s, like specifically 07 and 08, where a lot of people were like dyeing their hair like midnight blue, and it was like this really dark that like it just looked blue in the light, but it was like black in like room lighting, which I guess we'll see. I don't know. Like, it looks green. Like, it's definitely green, but like she's dark as fuck. I'm really loving it. It's just so cool. I don't know. But okay, so anyway, it comes in this like wavy texture, this like body wave, like loose body wave texture. She's really cool. Like, she kind of has like a dark green, but like it's kind of like a smoky kind of like a smoke kind of feel, like green smoke, you know. I really like it. She's from Sapphire Wigs. She is $39.90. The wig is $39.90. I'm not talking about a person. Some people get confused. So yeah, the cap size is 22.5, which is pretty much 23 inches. Which is what I thought, because I know the pink one that I got is 23 inches and it fits kinda, admittedly, pretty big. But yeah. Also has jaw straps on the side and the stupid fucking middle clip. And two little jaw straps, which are dark brown. Everything is like really dark on the inside, but the lace is pretty light. And I really like the lace on the last Sapphire wig that I got, so I'm hoping I will like this one on me as well. I didn't even have to like powder the lace on the last one I got, so we'll see about that. But this is so cool. I wonder if I can get away with wearing this at work, because it looks black, but like it's green. I don't know. It's cool. Anyways, I'm gonna go cut this, try it on, come back, and read you any more specs that I might have missed. So here's the wig on. I really like it. I think it really looks really black, but like it's green. It's such like it really fucks me up. But that's what it looks like when most of the lace cut off. I didn't really install it, so you know it looks like this. But I could actually probably install this one and get away with it going to work, but like I don't know, I have to think about it. But probably could, but I didn't. Anyways. So I was just reading the thing that was attached to the lace, and it's just a reminder that wigs cannot be returned if lace has been cut. So they're coming for us, all of us. Don't try it at Sapphire Wigs. So yeah, so it is heat resistant up to 220 degrees Fahrenheit. So don't go any higher than that. Just keep it. I mean, preferably lower than that, or you'll like melt the hair because it is synthetic and it's really easy to fuck it up. But yeah, it's also like 24, 25 inches. It's like right under my chest area. And it hits like my back pretty much, like my lower back. I mean, full transparency, I'm not wearing pants. So just trust me. Well, hold on. Yeah, like it hits like lower back. It's 25 inches long. The cup size is 23, pretty much 23 inches in diameter. So, you know, if you have a big head, it is big head finally, and it has straps. It has 3 clips, one in the middle, which probably won't use, but it's there. And yeah, I didn't install this lace. I probably could get away with it going to work and stuff, but like I don't know if I want to risk it because I'm new and I don't want them to get on me, and I don't want to go through the work. Just take it out. But I cut most of the lace off like I usually do. I think it looks pretty good. It blends in pretty well. And yeah, it got here really quickly. I ordered it on a Friday. I got it on Monday, which was like 4 or 5 days before it was supposed to be here. So that's cool. Wait time wasn't awful. And yeah, I really like the color. Let me know if you also see green in it, and like I'm not just being like tricked by Sapphire Wigs and Amazon or whatever, that I'm not just like ignorant to the fact that it's actually black. But I see the green in there, like I really do. But yeah. Oh, and also this wig does not have baby hairs. It doesn't say that it does, but just so you know, it doesn't come with any, and it's not advertised that it does. So you're not really like promised something that it doesn't have. So if you want baby hairs, you definitely have to cut them. But I think that's it. So if I hope this is helpful. If it was, please like, share, and subscribe. And yeah, I have other wig tutorials which I will link. There will be a link either here, somewhere in this vicinity. And as well as other things that I do, because I do a lot of things on this channel. So if you think I'm cool so far, stick around. Why not? It's free. But anyways, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.